Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 methods for making your money work for you. We all want to be financially secure and have enough money to live the life we want, yet it can feel like our money is just sitting there doing nothing for us at times. However, there are other ways to make your money work for you, and in this video, we'll go through the top 10 most efficient ones. We have a range of options for you to explore, including investing in the stock market, starting a business, and using a high-yield savings account. It's vital to remember that the best approach to make your money work for you is to build a diverse portfolio with a variety of investments. This will help to reduce risk while increasing your potential rewards. Number 10. Invest in a real estate investment trust. Individuals can invest in a diverse portfolio of commercial buildings through real estate investment trusts. REITs can provide a consistent stream of income as well as the possibility of capital appreciation. They are a medium-risk alternative that can help you diversify your investment portfolio. When investing in REITs, it is critical to investigate the trust's assets and management, as well as the general real estate market circumstances. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Consider investing in a peer-to-peer lending platform. Peer-to-peer lending systems enable investors to lend directly to borrowers, which can be an excellent way to put your money to work. This is a riskier option than standard investments, but it has the potential for bigger returns. When investing in a P2P lending platform, it is critical to conduct research on both the platform and the borrowers in order to understand the risk involved and the chance of recouping your investment. 8. CD ladder. A CD ladder is an investment strategy that allows you to make your money work for you by generating a higher interest rate than a regular savings account. CDs are a low-risk investment choice that can be ideal for people looking to build their money over time. A CD ladder allows the investor to spread their investment across numerous CDs with different maturities, allowing them to access some of the funds while earning a greater interest rate. 7. Begin a side business. Starting a side hustle is an excellent way to put your money to work for you. There are numerous ways to generate extra money on the side, including freelancing, blogging, and having a YouTube channel. This might be a terrific method to supplement your income while working a full-time job. When beginning a side hustle, it's critical to pick something you're passionate about and know a lot about, as well as have a clear plan for monetizing it. 6. Make use of a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an online investment platform that can help you make your money work for you by putting it in a diverse portfolio of stocks and bonds. Robo-advisors utilize advanced algorithms to build a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and investment objectives. This is a good choice for people who want expert investment management but don't want to pay the exorbitant costs associated with traditional financial consultants. 5. Bonds. Bonds are a sort of fixed-income investment that can provide a consistent revenue stream. They can be an excellent method to put your money to work for you, especially if you want a more conservative investment. Bonds are considered a lower-risk investment than stocks, but they also tend to provide smaller returns. When investing in bonds, it is critical to evaluate the issuer's creditworthiness as well as the maturity period. 4. Make use of a high-yielding savings account. A high-yield savings account, which earns interest at a higher rate than a typical savings account, might be a terrific way to make your money work for you. This is a low-risk choice for those looking to build their money without taking on too much danger. When selecting a high-yield savings account, compare interest rates and fees from several banks and online financial organizations. 3. Start your own business. Starting your own business is an excellent way to put your money to work for you. You can not only make a profit, but you can also build your business and improve your revenue over time. Starting a business, on the other hand, is dangerous and involves a lot of hard work and attention. Before launching a business, it's critical to undertake market research, develop a business plan, and understand the industry and competition. 2. Purchase real estate. Investing in real estate is another excellent option to make your money work for you. Real estate can be a terrific method to create passive income and grow wealth, whether you buy a rental property or flip properties. However, real estate investments come with their own set of risks, so do your research and work with competent professionals. When investing in rental properties, it is critical to analyze the local real estate market and identify properties in high-demand regions with consistent rental revenue. When flipping houses, it's critical to evaluate renovation expenses, market trends, and the property's prospective resale worth. 1. Invest in the stock exchange. Investing in the stock market is one of the most popular ways to make your money work for you. You can possibly make a big return on your investment by purchasing shares of publicly traded firms. But keep in mind that the stock market can be dangerous, so do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a variety of firms and industries is one approach to lessen risk while investing in the stock market. Investing in index funds, which monitor a certain market index and give a more diversified investment, is another option to limit risk. And that's our list. As a reminder, it's always important to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon when making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this.